Hi, today I will show you how to crimp one of those RL cable. So first of all, you really need this. This is the crimping tool for cable lugs. You need one cable lug or two if you want to do both sides. You need your cable, obviously, and some electrical tape and some silicone. And obviously for tools you need the hammer and a little knife. So we'll do it real quick. Step one, you prepare. So you want to have about this amount inside, so you'll cut it here, and to cut it just with a Gerber is sufficient. As soon as it touches the metal, obviously stop pushing. You just want to cup the rubber. Once you cut all the rubber there, you can pull it quite easily. Right. So put it in, put all those little individual meshes and give it a little twist, one or two twists. Then you put it in the crimper, and you want to put it as close to the base as possible for the first one. About this. You want to put it about this much. Very hard to see on this video. Very, very hard. And then you give about five little tabs. 5 or 6. Then you raise it, put it to about half an inch from the base, and then another 4 or 5 taps. There you go. Successful crimp. Very good job. Professional. Alright, so now what you do is you take the electrical tape and you want to make sure there's no moisture coming in. So you go all the way to the top to block all that moisture from deteriorating and corroding your cable. Once this is done, you take that silicone tape and you cut it about this much, and this is to protect it, so don't forget to remove the little transparent plastic, and then it's you just turn it around, and this will protect the base of your cable. So there you go, almost done. You go all the way to the top so that there's no electrical tape visible. Then you go back, and to seal it in place, just pull it real hard. It will all stick together. There you go. That's the most professional job you'll have seen probably this year. I'll make another video next year, so it will be even better. There you go. In 4 minutes, this is how you crimp a cable.